Rotate your phone.
Okay. Okay.
I'm sorry for my hair.
Oh God, I'm so sorry.
Okay.
So you gonna make some slime.
And then.
I can't stay serious.
Okay, everybody gonna get some glue.
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll start from over there.
Okay.
Turn it down here.
Oh my goodness. Hurry up with the glue.
Wait.
Okay,
So
so
don't your name Kirsten, but
so my name is Cleveland. I'm at Kirsten. My name is Renee.
My name is Carmen.
My name is Brooklyn.
mine's Kyron.
And today we're gonna be making. And today we're gonna be making some slime. Some slime.
So
That's the thing.
this is no.
Like this.
Yes, we know.
Oops. We got that right.
Oh my goodness.
I'm ready for the dance. That's gonna take a while. It's gonna be a little bit more. Now get your spoon and get your. Let me see.
Get your spoon.
Get you some more. Get you some more out of there. What was that? Your spoon?
R.I.P.
Ain't no bite on your locker. You hurry up.
Okay.
You got glue on the table. Ooh, if my phone broke, I know something.
One person here. She said.
I want some more glue. One person. It's one person here. Ooh, that's a lot. Oh, it's a lot. She put a lot. Go over. Go over. Go over. Ooh. Okay. Ooh.
I like to sneeze. This is Groovy Madge.
Ooh, look good. Hey. Hey.
Hey, the one person.
And they gone. Hey. We doing some.
Don't stop. Don't scroll.
Kyle, get your spoon.
The napkin is
He's
block in
going to-
Brooklyn. The napkin road, block in Brooklyn.
Okay, pour some in mine. Pour some in mine.
I want some
Oh,
more.
Karen a little bit food. Pour some more in mine. Okay, I don't want no more. That's enough. That's enough for everybody. Okay, so now we're going.
Okay, people on here.
Yeah.
Okay, people on here.
Paper
Right
towel.
back.
Just see the cook. Just keep
Hi, everybody.
Hey, we making some slime.
One person saying hi, everybody.
So next, what we're gonna do is add some food coloring. And then we're gonna pick the color. So what color you want?
I don't want red. I want pink. Red.
What color you want?
I want purple.
What color you want?
I want green. Thank you.
And I'm gonna be making fluffy slime. What type of slime can I make? Regular, fluffy, or cloudy?
Fluffy.
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 I want mine fluffy.
Okay, now we're
No,
gonna put the food coloring.
Wait.
Then I got the shaving cream and we got some glitter. And I'm gonna
make mine
put some white glitter in there.
Me too. I'm trying to look like green.
Oh my God.
And I want orange. Now I'm gonna mix mine. You added too much.
You add too much. How many?
Look how much I added.
I'm sorry, Clark. a minute.
Turns out,
It looks good. I see.
Look at that.
They glue blocking your bowl.
Sorry, Kirsten. Sorry, Kirsten. Sorry, Kirsten. If you know what I'm talking about.
mine
Oh,
is
that's
good.
That one person left. That one person left.
Kirsten, listen.
Look at mine. Naya, stop laughing now.
We should have got us some aprons.
What, the cookers? The chefs?
Yeah, because
Oh, one person gone. Hey! Hey! Hey!
mine is blue, y'all.
Mine is purple.
Mine pink. Mine is orange.
Mine is green.
Mix, 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 mix.
Slime.
Slime. But we only put blue in it and food coloring.
We just put soap bar. So now I'm gonna add.
paper towel.
We don't need this.
We need all of us need paper towels. We don't have spoons.
So now I'm gonna add. If she, okay, so
So we're making 3 kinds of slime, but if you want to check out the other ones,
go to our YouTube channel, which is Winaya K, and
go to
Queen.
Instagram.
YouTube. It's go to YouTube.
YouTube, right? Instagram.
So now I'm gonna get some shaving cream.
The snow is blocking comments.
Renata
Hi.
Taylor watching.
Your mama watching.
So now we're gonna add.
hey, mom.
What you added for the
Hey, Renata.
Hey,
Get the. Can we get the instant snow?
Uh-huh.
Can you pass us the glue?
And then shaving cream.
No, I got the shave. I got one of the shaving creams.
Okay.
Wait, I'm gonna use it.
Open
We already got a shaving cream.
Okay, somebody just commented.
Karen, give me the shaver. Push the glitter close.
You can use
Let's
this,
see.
or you use
He
this.
said,
Hey, Renata.
Renata. We're making slime. That's a lot. You said you was making snow slime.
You said she was making clouds.
I'm on my
Everybody else?
It smells like man.
Okay, now let's mix it. Guys.
I'm gonna add some more blue because my color's getting lighter.
Thank you. Yep. What kind of slime y'all making?
Fluffy.
I'm making fluffy too.
Yeah, I added
Next,
some.
I'm gonna make some clouds.
Everything else now is starting to look orange. Put a little more color in it.
What color she was smell?
Easy on the ingredients because
I'm
I
on the
still
list.
gotta make 2 more slimes.
I'm on my list.
Wait, I'm gonna add some more blue so my wife can show me.
I'm going to add. Dang it.
And
Okay, I gotta add some more color because
Can I have
my
a
color
knife?
is.
Easy on the ingredients, everybody.
My spoon.
spoon went in there. Oh man.
Be more careful with your spoon. I'm opening this other thing at the top.
Okay, I hope you all are still watching. Stay tuned until the end of the live.
And see how our slime turns out.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, girl. I'm gonna keep mixing until I'm ready to add my glitter.
You don't need to open your glitter.
Okay, now I'm gonna add my glitter.
Me too. So I'm gonna get the rest off the
Carmen, move a cup of snow.
maybe.
It's okay.
Move that cup of snow. It's in the way. Bring it back.
You go to snow? I'm gonna use green.
Where's green?
Hey, why is this so hard to open?
That was a pretty white.
Okay, now I'm gonna put my glitter. I'm
Just
gonna
like
be
that.
using silver. Okay, guys, so let me sprinkle it over there. It's gonna be so.
Oh my god.
Okay.
What happened?
I need to
Wait, how did you do it?
More
I didn't open it. I just sprinkled it. Oh, it's so cute.
Ooh!
It's snowing. It's snowing. Oh, it's snowing. Snowing. It's all over the table.
Yeah.
Look out.
Guys, so look outside. It is snowing.
It is snowing.
Yep, you can make it.
Dang.
Where the top at for the glitters?
Now, in a minute, we're
We have
gonna.
two. One fail. Okay, so
Now I'm ready for my activator.
Yeah, me too.
Activate.
Wait, maybe a little bit of silver up in here. No spoon.
We're ready for it.
Activator. Silver. It's weird that I said a little bit of silver. Look how much silver I added. Dang. That's a lot.
Everybody got a lot of glitter, whatever they need.
Yeah.
Cup of glitter,
Yes, we got
nothing
enough.
else.
We still can add it at the end.
For the finishing touch. Look at this. Look at this slime. Look.
You don't need a lot, do you?
No, because it's going to turn her thing.
It's going to be hard.
That's why I did blue, because it's going to turn her slime blue.
It's going to turn her slime blue. What about mine? It's going to turn it pink?
Don't turn it purple.
Ooh.
No, it's not.
Oopsie.
Oops.
Looks like you might want to scoop some of your slime off that. Like that. Just a little.
Okay.
It's turning into a slime guy.
I'm not going to get no purple slime in mine.
Okay, I'm mixing it.
I need a meter. He didn't say he was. I'm gonna mix it.
It's activated.
Okay.
It's activated.
Oh, I need my activator. Mine is activating, guys.
Mine is. I need some activator. Give me some activator.
Keep saying what y'all making for whoever coming in.
Use an activator.
Now I'm going to use my hands from here.
Slime, slime, slime. Oh, Lord. That's the most scariest part, is using your hands. Comment
down
down below if you ever made a slime. If you ever made a slime.
You can hit wash your powder because look like y'all need to do an activator. Kirsten, yours look, is that the way it's supposed to look?
Yes, because it's fluffy.
Yep.
Okay. I
Mine.
thought y'all was supposed to
There we
make
go.
bubbles and play with it.
Yes, but we gotta wait till it
Activate.
form up together.
Let me get y'all some more wash your powder.
Okay.
Mine.
Let me put a little more.
Mine.
too.
Try to get all the excess off y'all bowl.
Get it?
I don't
Cow.
like this.
Give me that shaving cream. Give me that sugar.
Okay, so now
I'm
I'm gonna
just
take it out
gonna
and
get some
play
more.
with mine.
Look at mine.
Let me get y'all some more wash powder.
Oh, dang. Dang it, my spoon.
Look at mine, y'all.
Here.
Yay, slime. Slime,
It's not no basketball.
It's still kind of sticky, so I'm
Mine
gonna
too.
add some more activator.
Can I have some more activator, Christine?
Can I get the activator?
It is good to have a spoon by you.
Just in
Just in
case.
case you don't want to touch it.
Yeah.
Remind you to over the middle.
Oopsies. Sorry. Rub your slime.
Now while it's forming, I'm about to put a little more.
Mine's
like the sun.
the sun is
Mine is the color as the sky. I got some orange in mine.
Flowers sometimes.
It has some orange in mine.
Brooklyn, dip your slime and get
Glitter
that pink
right
glitter
there.
up right there.
And get it, yeah. And dip your slime right there with that glue in. It's gonna, yeah.
Yeah.
So guys, this is what we got. The slime we.
Okay, like
This is fluffy slime. And if you guys want to see our other slimes how they turn out, you have to
stay tuned.
you have to check out our
YouTube. See.
Nothing got on it. Yay! Mine is very thick. Oh man. Hey, that's my glue.
Oh my goodness.
Lord Jesus.
I'm going to set this aside and try to do a bubble, guys.
Mine needs lotion or soap.
Let's see if I can get any more slime off of this.
So I cleaned out my bowl with my slime.
Hey guys, let's
So
see.
now, just
Y'all
like
y'all
y'all
and
eating
clean
clean
up
up
y'all
y'all bowl.
I made a little bit bubble. It ain't
Make
like-
sure you have your parents' permission to make this because it can cause
because
a
it
lot
can
of
make
a
mess.
lot of mess.
A lot of mess.
Even on the floor, so.
Especially on nice tables. You got my. I'm gonna clean my bowl out.
Okay, we're gonna be playing with our slime to see how it is. My slime is cute, ain't
So now I'm gonna, once I get done playing with it, I'm gonna put mine in the
I
container.
need a little bit more glue.
Yep, containers.
I'm gonna add some more glue.
Can I have some?
Oh my gosh, this
Can I
one.
have a little bit of glue?
Yeah, this time I'm gonna add like some this.
Mine was
go. No way, I made nothing. Look, y'all, bubble.
Okay. It is very easy to make slime. All you need is glue activator.
Only thing you need to make slime is glue, activator, and some food coloring and some
and
glitter.
whatever ingredients y'all want as
You can add sequins, you can add anything.
Yep.
bone
Bone.
beads,
Yeah, beads and
hair
everything.
beads.
Well, let me show y'all.
Beads in your hair.
So here, I got some glitter in mine. Y'all can still see my glitter.
I added a little bit.
It's, oh man. Tell me how y'all think about it. Well, let me
Chop
show
it
y'all
down.
something.
Mine's-
In
yeah.
mine, it's ugly.
Yeah, mine's gonna have a lot of glitter in it.
Mine's a little bit sticky.
Oh, she made a bubble.
Oh, that's big.
That's a big bubble. What you trying to make?
Now let me make.
What?
Well,
It is what it is.
Carmen slime is the color of your pants.
yeah,
Purple.
And this is not gonna stick to nobody's shirt
yeah, it's not gonna stick.
because it's fluffy and non-sticky.
Look at us, it's sticking to everything.
Let me see.
Non-sticky, you say. Non-sticky, y'all
Non-sticky.
say.
Fluffy slime is non-sticky.
Depends on how much activate you put in it.
Yep.
If you don't put a lot, it's gonna be sticky.
Where's the top to the?
Okay, I'm gonna put mine in a container.
It's
I'm
better
done
like that.
playing with mine. And then,
So I'm ready to put mine in a container, and if y'all ready,
Yeah, me too.
yep, one more bubble for you guys.
One more go. Yeah, one more.
wait, everybody make a bubble. Put y'all back to.
Oh.
Move that glitter. Move all this stuff out the way.
We need the top to
Yeah.
this one so it won't fall.
Give it to him.
I'm
I put
gonna.
some glitter in mine. And
One,
wait.
Wait.
Wait. Hold on.
Two.
Wait.
I made them type of sort of kind of bubble. We all failed.
This kind of slime is non-sticky.
Yep. So, make sure you get permission to do this.
Just in
Because you see the table.
If you don't
Yeah, you
have
see this table.
Y'all
My
see
spot
it.
clean though, y'all. Look at my slime.
Look at my spot.
I'm rolling mine out. I'm gonna see if I can make
Pretty
a swirl.
good.
It's jiggly. Look, watch this. Watch this.
I'm making a swirl.
Look, y'all.
Swirl. Here I come.
My necklace is.
Look at my swirl. Ta-da.
My shirt.
Yeah, we can't do it like them people on YouTube.
We can't.
We can't.
My swirl looks messed up. Look at my swirl. It look messed up.
Okay, I'm finna do a swirl so I can show y'all how to do it.
Yeah, we literally cleaned up a little of it with our slime. But I'm ready to put on in a container, so.
Yeah, me too. Put some more glitter.
Girl,
Oh, I kind of did it.
Look at it. I'm ready to put mine in the container.
Hey, I'm ready for my container.
Look at mine.
Kirsten, can you put my container?
I'm gonna put mine in a container.
This is if it can all fit up in the container.
Don't make no sense.
Here you go, girl.
Oh my god.
Yep. Oh, it came out of nowhere, guys.
Hey, it can fit in there.
Mine
Noah.
came out of nowhere.
Look at that.
Noah.
Yay!
The perfect amount.
Okay, now I'm gonna close
Yeah.
mine. And
Yeah.
I'm gonna add a little bit of glitter.
This is like watermelon. I'm just playing. This is
Look at my
watermelon.
slime, guys.
and my slime is in the container.
Okay, make no.
Mine's in my container. Add a little bit of glitter on top to be extra.
Hey, yeah. I am.
So yeah, it's pretty good.
We'll add a little bit glitzy.
You always gotta add the glitter. And for some reason, I opened the lid. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
What are you looking
We gotta clean up the table.
Before we do our next one, we gotta clean up this table.
Slime.
Slime!
Yeah.
I'm taking it out. But yeah.
I love my slime.
Finish.
Okay, we all done. Thank you for watching.
That's just my nails.
Thank you for watching.